Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add WooCommerce subscriptions to existing products. This is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to offer subscription-based products alongside your regular items, giving your customers more flexible payment options. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this will allow you to make the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin directory where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar and type in subscription. From the search results that appear, look for subscriptions for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to see a complete overview of this plugin. This lets you understand all the features and functions it offers, ensuring it's the right fit for your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while to complete, so be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is done, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on it to activate the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, head to your Products page on the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing products. Simply select any product you want to add a subscription option to by clicking on it. This will open the product overview page where you can edit all the details. On the product overview page, scroll down until you reach the product data section. This is where all the important product settings live. You'll notice a newly added option called Subscription Settings. This menu is automatically added to all your products under the product data section once the plugin is activated. Click on this new Subscription Settings tab to begin configuring your subscription options. Inside the subscription settings, you'll need to set the subscription interval and choose the duration from options like days, weeks, months, or years. This determines how often customers will be charged. Next, set the expiry interval if you want the subscription to end after a certain period. You can also add a sign-up fee if you want to charge customers an initial amount when they first subscribe. Additionally, there's an option to set a free trial interval, which lets customers try your product before committing to regular payments. Once you've configured all these settings to match your business model, scroll back up to the top of the page. On your right side panel, you'll see an Update button. Click on it to save all your changes. This carries the subscription settings over and officially offers a subscription value to this product, making it available for customers to purchase as a subscription. And that's it. You've successfully added WooCommerce subscriptions to your existing products, giving your customers more flexible ways to purchase from your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.